Welcome to the beginning of an unforgettable adventure. The journey to Kashmir Great Lakes Trek kicks off from the vibrant city of Srinagar. From here, we'll move to Sonmarg, and from that point, we'll embark on a trek that takes us through some of the most breathtaking landscapes in the world. Guys, I am at the tourist center in Srinagar. TRC it is called, and this is the assembly point for everyone, and a trek begins from here. We'll be driving to Sonmarg. This is the day one of KGL, and from Sonmarg we'll start the trek. I'll keep you guys updated. We were picked up in a shared vehicle from the TRC center to Sonmarg. I have stopped at Marmer. It's a place in between Srinagar and Sonmarg, and we have taken a halt here for lunch, and it's a riverside cafe, beautiful cafe. And this is actually looking like paradise right now, because in Srinagar it wasn't really beautiful, and it was more of a small town, rustling and bustling, full of noises and chaos. I'll show you. So guys, this is the day one of our trek, and there is no trekking involved today, but we have reached our campsite. It's in Sonmarg, and you can see it behind me. That's the whole view, and the campsite is very beautiful. It's right next to a very beautiful stream, and you can see glaciers up there. So the day one ended without any trekking, and I watched the beautiful sunset over the peaks right in front of us. Hello, it's day two of our trek, and we'll be leaving from the Satkari campsite, and it's 8 a.m. in the morning. Today we'll be trekking around 12 kilometers, and we are all ready to go. This is where the trek begins. We have to climb at a steep angle from the road head. The trail is all but steep till here, and it is almost a 30-degree ascent. It has been quite challenging till now, but it'll get better once we cross this ridge. Large number of people coming for this trek. There's a big chunk of trekkers stopping there, so you'll find this trek very crowded, because this is the only trek in Kashmir that is active right now. So recently we have reached this beautiful meadow. Beautiful houses belong to the Kucha people. They have set up a small shop there where you can see the crowd, and they live here throughout the summer, and they go down during the winter time when it's all covered in snow. And this is their view. Hi guys, this is end of day 2, and we have reached our campsite right next to this mountain with a valley view. This is the campsite. Hi guys, it's day 3 of our trek, and we'll be starting in a while. There is a tragedy that has happened in our group. A lot of people lost their shoes last night. Someone came and stole them, so we are just arranging that. And it's sunny out here, the sky is blue. Seems like a good day to trek. We have started our trek on day 3 and they have told us that it's a level track except for one pass that is right in front of us at the beginning itself. We have to cross that pass and it is the only ascent in today's trek, so it's gonna be an easy day. So we have reached Nichnei Pass and the view is beautiful. We can see the valley here. We came from that side. We are right adjacent to the glaciers. Now we have to go down from this side and it is going to be a downhill trek. Are about to reach the campsite for day 3 and it looks like it will start raining. So the day which started sunny has now turned to cloudy and I think it might rain really hard. It's a beautiful grassland and our campsite is right there. If any one of you have done Dioteba before, this campsite will look like the Seri campsite and it's the most beautiful campsite of the whole 3 days.
Our camps were not pitched by the time we reached the campsite and it started raining like crazy. So all of us had to share one big common tent and it was a fun thing to do. The rest of the trek is continued in the part 2 of this vlog. Stay tuned.